Hello friends, welcome again on this YouTube channel and very good morning to all of you who are watching this video. So today in this video I will try to explain, I will try to elaborate some properties of new element that is lithium here. As you know friends, in earlier videos we have got information about hydrogen as well as second element helium. So now let's focus on lithium. So this is lithium and this is alkali metal and it has atomic number 3. So let's see the electronic configuration of lithium. So please take a look. In this picture you can see electron number 3 electrons of lithium means 3. There are 3 proton and number of neutron in case of lithium are 4. So in this picture you can see the electronic shell and electronic energy level of lithium and electronic configuration 1s2 2s1 is the electronic configuration according to Bohr model. So please focus it. So beside that, let us try to understand the behavior of lithium. So have a look here. So basically it is soft silvery white alkali metal. Under standard condition it is lightest metal and the lightest solid element. Like all alkali metals, lithium is highly reactive and flammable and must be stored in mineral oil. When cut, it exhibits metallic luster, but moist air corrodes it quickly to a dull silvery grey than black tarnish. थोड़ा सा इसको हिंदी में हम ट्रांसलेट करते हैं और थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि लिथियम का जो बिहेवियर है किस तरह का है। ये एक सॉफ्ट मेटल है, पहले हमें समझना पड़ेगा। एल्कली मेटल है, बार बार हम कह रहे हैं। सिल्वर वाइट कलर की ये प्रेजेंस शो करता है, इसकी आउटलुक होती है और नॉर्मल कंडीशन के अंदर हमें पता चल गया है कि ये लाइटेस्ट मेटल है, हल्की धातु है और हल्का होने की वजह से इसको हल्का हम तत्व भी कह सकते हैं, सॉलिड सब्सटेंस कह सकते हैं, एलिमेंट कह सकते हैं। सो ऑल इन ऑल जैसे कि अदर एलिमेंट्स शो करते हैं अल्कली मेटल्स के, लिथियम भी एक हाईली रिएक्टिव होता है। सोडियम भी आपने सुना होगा काफ़ी रिएक्टिव होता है, काफ़ी फ्लेमेबल, बहुत जल्दी से आग पकड़ लेता है, फ्लेमेबल होता है और इसलिए हम इनको मिनरल ऑयल में स्टोर करके रखना पड़ता है हमें। और जब भी इसको काटा जाता है तो ये एक मेटालिक लस्टर प्रॉपर्टी को शो करता है, मतलब कि जिस भी नाइफ से एज से इसको काटा जाएगा वहाँ उसको वो शाइन करेगा, लस्टर मतलब शाइन करेगा। और जब ये लिथियम किसी भी मॉइस्ट एयर के प्रेजेंस में आता है, उसकी चपेट में आता है, तो ये बहुत जल्दी से कोरोजन उसमें देखने को मिलता है और ये डल होना शुरू हो जाता है, सिल्वर कलर वाइट कलर ग्रे में बदलना शुरू हो जाएगा और धीरे 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 ये ब्लैक कलर में भी बदल जाता है। ऐसा ये प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है लिथियम। सो फ्रेंड्स, this is the picture showing lithium metal. So please watch it carefully. lithium metal देखिए किस तरह से lithium element होता है। Beside that we have some important facts, you know, under the heading of overview. So first one is Latin name. Is there any Latin name of lithium? So your answer is no. Atomic number, as you know, 3 for the lithium. Atomic symbol Li. L capital I small. Atomic mass of lithium is 6.941. Group 1 period 2. According to all this information, according to modern periodic table, group number 1 period number 2 is there. So 1817, in 1817 lithium metal is discovered. CAS number means chemical abstract service number is 7439-93-2. Who is discovered lithium? So John August Arfvedson is the person. John August Arfvedson. Okay. Beside that, some important properties of lithiums are there. So number one is density. 0.534 is the density for this metal, this alkali metal lithium, and melting point and boiling point is there. So 118 degree Celsius it starts to melt. Okay, and there are some other figures data which are in another format like Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale, so you can watch easily. So beside that, boiling point of the helium is 1347, means 1347 degrees Celsius. Phase gas, phase gas, valency 1, block, s block element, lithium is s block element. So oxidation, next one is oxidation properties. So friends, it is alkali metal. Metals most probably shows +1, +2, +3 oxidation state or many more. So +1 is the oxidation state of lithium, you can watch here. So let's try to understand the atomic properties of lithium here. So because it show +1 oxidation state, you can see, and charge on the ion of lithium is +1, positive charge, and ionization potential of an atom is 5.39. Figure atomic radius calculated 167, covalent radius 137, van der Waals radius shown here 0. So here are some properties of electromagnetic properties, you can watch here easily. So first one is electrical conductivity, Simon per meter, 1.1 into 107 Simon per meter, electrical conductivity. So electrical type, another property is electrical type shows conductivity, so it considered as a conductor. Lithium metal, metallic properties, most probably metal shows conductivity. Another property, magnetic type, it shows paramagnetic behavior, so paramagnetic character shown by lithium. Next one is volume magnetic susceptibility, 0.00000137. Mass magnetic susceptibility 2.56 into 10 raised to power minus 8 meter cube per kilogram. Molar magnetic susceptibility 1.78 into 10 raised to power minus 10 meter cube per mole. Another property, that is resistivity 9.4 और बहुत सारी zeros into 10 raised to power minus 8 meter ohm. Superconductivity point not available, data is not available. So beside that, we have another last heading, that is prevalence. Under this heading, we are able to know how much lithium is present in different portion like universe, like sun, oceans, human, etc. So number one is universe. In this universe, the percentage of lithium is 6 into 10 raised to power minus 7% only. In sun, 6 into 10 raised to power minus 9% lithium is there. Ocean, very low amount, 0.000018% lithium is present in oceans. In human, 3 into 10 raised to power minus 6% of lithium is there. In case of earth crust, 0.0017% lithium present. Last one, meteorites, 0.00017% of lithium is there. So this is all about the lithium. I think these properties definitely help you to understand uh, the concept of lithium. So if you find that this video is helpful for you, then definitely please subscribe this channel and stay tuned. Keep smiling and watch all these videos. And one important thing, I will generate a playlist where all the information about all the elements are gathered. So please keep watching, stay with us. Bye bye, take care.